How to block user on Amazon Prime Video. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you block user on Amazon Prime Video. Now basically you can block user on Amazon Prime Video by setting up a pin protected profile locked, which requires pin to access a specific profile. Alternatively, you can set up purchase restriction to prevent unauthorized purchase, or use the parental control to set up age restrictions on the content as well. Now unlike any other social media app, you could just simply go ahead and click on the profile and block the user. Now this does not happen in Amazon Prime Video actually. So what you want to do is you could set a different profile for you and set a different profile for that particular person, and alternatively or indirectly you're blocking the person so from viewing your watch history or your detailed information of your watch history in the Prime Video. So as you could see, this is the page where you could see who's watching, right? So if you want to create a new profile for that particular person, you just want to click on the new button, type in their name, and whether it's a kid profile, then you want to toggle the button and click on the save button, right? So here you could then go ahead and set a pin if you want, and once once you click on the profile, they will be asked or you will be asked to type in the pin, and that is basically how you could go ahead and restrict devices as well as alternative way to block user on Amazon Prime Video. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.